Activating Razer 7.1 surround sound can make a huge difference in how you experience audio, especially for gaming, movies, and immersive content. Instead of flat stereo sound, you get directional audio that helps you hear footsteps, movement, and environmental details more clearly. But for many users, the setup process isn't always obvious. You might install the software but not hear any difference, or you're unsure if it's actually working. That usually happens because the feature needs to be activated and set as the default output properly. Once everything is configured the right way, the improvement in sound becomes immediately noticeable, giving you a much more immersive and accurate listening experience. Try these. Step 1. Download and install the Razer 7.1 surround sound software from the official website. Step 2. Open the software and enter your activation code. Step 3. Follow the setup instructions to activate the feature. Step 4. Go to your PC's sound settings. Step 5. Set Razer 7.1 surround sound as your default audio output device. Step 6. Test the audio to confirm surround sound is working properly.